Hello, this is Notaspringchick for news that we posted yesterday. You're going to find old Cam's comments on the headlines of today. Strange Laws Part 2, and these really are strange. And actually, some of them are really kind of funny. Also, How to Hang Your Curtains Part 1, because they're a lot easier to do than you would expect. Also, Zop Tops, those crimped and curled brimmed hats in 3D with actor Emerson Cooper from Mamma Mia. Hello, this is Notaspringchick today, or actually yesterday. You're going to see, of course, old Cam with comments on the headlines of today, plus Mosque at Ground Zero, Part 2, then Oil and Water Don't Mix, Part 4, and the hottest trend in nails, shellac with Monica May at Platinum Image Spa. Also Miss California Teen 2010 Emma Baker with Dapo Tormiro at the Teen Choice Awards Talent Swag Social, who happens to be a songwriter, producer, and musician, yes, for Just Dance. Plus, let's see, Jonas Brothers and some others. And also Just Dance 2, we got that dancing still going, with Emerson Cooper in 3D at Backstage Creations Retreat, Teen Choice Awards 2010. And, are you ready for this one? Overproof Tequila and new introductions, including the unveiling of Ka, the brand new one, Ed Hardy, and Agave 99 Tequilas. Hello, this is Notaspringchick, and today we have for you at MBN and Newsvideoweb in 3D old Cam's comments on the headlines of today. Also, AJ Jacobs Travel Channel parody number 2 in 3D. In addition to that, Strange Laws Part 4. Now you got to catch that because they really are strange. And will the president leave office before the end of his term? Platinum Pets Colorful Stainless Bowls, Accessories, and much more fun. And also Obvious Clothing and Dirty Hollywood at the endless summer primetime Emmy Suite. Yes, it's that season. We've got some special appearances by The Bachelorette, RJ Mitty, Breaking Bad, and celebrity stylist George Blotwell. Hello, this is Notaspringchick, and for yesterday on MBN and Newsvideoweb, the Monty Bubbles Network, we have, of course, old Cam with comments on the headlines of today in 3D. Also, Miss California Teen 2010 Emma Baker interviewing for the first time Dapo Tormiro from Step Up 3D in 3D. Additionally, Posh Life Bling at the endless summer primetime Emmy Suite. Yeah, you got to see the bling. If you don't like it, too bad. Part 7, 2010 California Food Show Wrap-Up Part 2. RJ Mitty from Breaking Bad at the endless summer primetime Emmy Suite. And Coleman Luggage at the same endless summer primetime Emmy Suite. Hello, this is Notaspringchick, and yesterday in news we posted old Cam comments on the headlines of today in 3D. Also Anna M Designs, which is skull-inspired through cultures, fashions in 3D, interviewed by Miss California Teen Emma Baker. Also, Fleas and Termites Part 3, yes, it is that season. Education Scares Politicians Part 4. Prana Spa-Ceuticals at the endless summer Emmy Suite. And Room to Read at the endless summer Emmy Suite. That was a charity organization. And Jamie Jo Harris. Bellicure Trunk Show launch at Fred Siegel, Santa Monica. And coming to you soon, Bikini Czar outtakes from True 3D hitting theaters. Hello, this is Notaspringchick, and yesterday you might have noticed, of course, we always start off with old Cam and the comments on the headlines of today in 3D. Also, the Mosque at Ground Zero, the final part. Change or Fade Away, Part 9. And Adidas, the Mega Shoes at Backstage Creations Teen Choice Awards, the Celebrity Retreat 2010. And John Chu from the Step Up 3D with Emerson Cooper and Backstage Creations. Of course, the same Teen Choice Awards 2010. And an IPL photo facial demonstration at Blue Medi Spot. And here you're actually going to see me getting an IPL photo facial, which is supposed to help you look younger. And then also in 3D we do have Overproof Tequila and introductions with the unveiling of Ka, Ed Hardy, and Agave 99 in 3D from the Western Food Service and Hospitality Expo in LA, co-located with Expo Comida Latina. Hello, this is not a spring chicken. Today, or actually shall we say yesterday, we did post Old Cam's comments on the headlines of today in 3D. And will the president leave before his term is up? Part 2. And tips on fleas and termites. Yes, it's that season. Also, Emmy Sweets have started and we have a nitro cream liquid nitrogen ice cream and sorbet at the Endless Summer Primetime Emmy Suite to help them up dog harness with a hip lift. Ooh, and the bikinis are goof. Hello, this is Not a Spring Chicken. Yesterday on MBN, the Monty Bubbles Network and Newsvideoweb, you were able to see in 3D Old Cam's comments on the headlines of today, as well as Eric Roberts' The Expendables in 3D at the Endless Summer Primetime Emmy Suite. In news, will the president leave before the end of his term? Part 4. An educated population scare, politicians, Part 3. And then from the Sweets, Lauren Bowles' True Blood at the Endless Summer Primetime Emmy Suite, as well as the Beach Girls Hair Sunscreen. Also, The Flirted Girl from Flirt Cosmetics at Backstage Creations Celebrity Retreat for the Teen Choice Awards 2010. And the bikinis are When She Sees a Flag. Hello, this is Not a Spring Chicken. News from yesterday that was posted, starting with in 3D, Old Cam's comments on the headlines of today. Also, Romy Dames, Jason Preston, Casey Stroll, and Joel Posey at the California Teen Swag Social in 3D. And then also Bikinis Are and 3D glasses. Yes, that one was a goof. Katrina, Part 1, and how it's affected the development of MBN. The Shopper's Tote from the Endless Summer Primetime Emmy Suite, and Sophie Turner, Australian supermodel with Paul Cruz at the Live Expo Green Pavilion Emmy Suite. Hello, this is Not a Spring Chick, and when it comes to news, we recently posted, or actually yesterday, Old Cam's comments on the headlines of today in 3D. Robinson Crusoe Premium Chilean Seafood in 3D. California Food Show Wrap-Up Part 1. Where did the stimulus money go? The final part. Bikinis Are Can't Stand Still. And on Daily Motion, let's see. The Bikinis Are goes James Bond. And also Out of the Box Training for Dogs.